Hello Power Fam. Today we'll be learning about simultaneous equations step by step. So make sure to watch the video till the end because you don't want to miss any step. Now firstly, we must know what is it. What are simultaneous equations? So the sum of two numbers is 37. The difference between the two numbers is 13. Call the numbers x and y. Now you have two equations and two unknowns. These are simultaneous equations. You need to find the values of x and y that solve both equations simultaneously. In this case, x is equals to 25 and y is equals to 12. Let us solve these simultaneous equations together. The answer is step 1. So you know from the first equation that y is equals to 3x plus 1. So you can use the method of substitution and substitute y, which is this, x plus 9, in the second equation with 3x plus 1. So that's how we got 3x plus 1 is equals to x plus 9. The variables are the same, so that means 3x plus 1 is equals to x plus 9. Now then, you have to rearrange the equation to get the x's on one side and the numbers on the other side. We'll get 3x minus x is equals to 9 minus 1. Remember that when the number of variable crosses the equal sign, it will change its sign to the opposite sign. So let's solve this. 3x minus x, 2x, 9 minus 1, 8. You bring the 2 to the other side and you get x is equals to 8 divided by 2, which is 4. So we've solved for x, now let's solve it for y. For step 2, we have to substitute x, which is 4, into either of the equations to find the value of y. So let's substitute and we get 13. For step 3, we again have to substitute x into the other equation to check for the answer. And yes, we have the correct answer. If you don't get the same value, you have made a mistake. For step 4, you have to clearly write your answers at the end of your working. So x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 13. Let us solve another simultaneous equations. This one is slightly different from the one we solved before. Let's get going. So first, we want to make the variable as a subject. So we'll use the first equation because it's easy. Alright, so we'll rewrite it here first. X plus 3y is equals to 25. We'll bring the 3y here, so it becomes negative 3y. And we have x as the subject. Now we'll substitute the value for x in the second equation. Okay, so 4 in bracket multiplied by 25 minus 3y is equals to 3y plus 10. Four multiplied by 25 is 100. 100 minus by 4 multiplied by negative 3y is 12y, and bring 3y plus 10 down. Now we'll have to rearrange this so the like terms are together. 12y goes here, 10 comes here. So it becomes 100 minus 10 is equals to 3y plus 12. Let's solve it. 90 equals to 15y. And now we divide 90 by 15. 90 divided by 15 will be y. So y will be 6. So now we have to substitute y, which is 6, into this equation. So 25 minus 3 multiplied by 6, you get 7. And we have to check this in the second equation. 4 multiplied by 7. Remember 7 is x, is equals to 3 multiplied by 6, which is y, plus 10, and we should get the same answer, and we did. So thus our answers are correct. X is equals to 7 and y is equals to 6. That's it for today, guys, and if you want to see other methods for solving simultaneous equations, please do like the video and check out my other videos, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.